Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change display name on Twitch. To change your display name on Twitch is super easy. Open your Twitch application and log into your account first. Once logged in, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your profile, click on the Edit Profile button at the top right. Now inside Edit Profile, tap on Display Name. Now, when it comes to changing your display name, you can only customize capitalization for your username. So go ahead and make a change and click on Save. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your display name. Remember that when it comes to changing the display name, you will need to change the capitalization and it must match your username. You will not be able to change your display name into something else. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.